We'll start with the muffler. I haven't made a video in a while, guys. This car's been. It's needed an alternator. It's needed a new radiator. It's needed a new battery, because when the radiator had a hole in it, it shot out. It exploded. It actually melted the negative terminal to the battery itself. So I had to get a new battery, new terminals for both. I just got new because it was terrible. I just put this muffler on the other day. It's a 4.5 inch, and obviously I got big hands, so beautiful, and that fucker's not going nowhere. Anyways, now I just installed $600 calipers, rotors, and pads. They're carbon fiber ceramic pads, and then powder. Powder coated calipers and drilled and slotted rotors, and then fronts I have the same thing. And then these ones obviously are bigger because it's front wheel drive. Stay back. So, and obviously, as you guys can see, I need new tires in the rear. They're terrible. And then you come around this way. Show it from this way. It's not perfect. I didn't line it up great, but I put a front lip on it. So, got the little fins on the sides. Keep it on. And then I gotta get a new sticker, because this one's old and falling apart. So, oh, and that's coming up. What the hell? Oh, this whole car is a fucking mess. I'll fix that when I lift the trunk up. But I'm also gonna do a start up, let it warm up. I have to pump the brakes, of course. But first I have to put fluid in it. Because can't run it without the fluid. Okay. I have to clean the engine bay. Don't mind that. I will fix that eventually. That's the frame. So here's in the Eclipse. This is the brakes, and I'm just putting DOT4 in it. And then there's the master cylinder fluid. That's for the clutch fluid. But this is what I need for the brakes. And some of it leaked out, so you'll always have to put more in. And it's about like halfway full right now. So if you want to get a start up of the car, you step back there. I gotta pump the brakes first, for it's gonna take a couple minutes, but go back a little bit farther, like right there, so that you're not standing right next, because it'll clear out the sound of the speakers. First I gotta pump the brakes and get fluid into it. Turn the key to the on position. Alright, we ready? Mm-hmm. I don't think I made a video with these, but these are LED blacked out rear tail lights with fingers, so then that whole thing lights up when you stop. And then the big one, the big circle one, they just light up for the turn signals. But yeah, so that's pretty much what's new with the car. It sounds really good. So I'm gonna talk a little louder. I'm gonna do a little drive-by so you can get an outside of the car sound clip. I just gotta let the car warm up a little bit. And I just changed the wires for the spark plugs. So I changed these three. I had to take the manifold off, and the other spark plugs with the wires are back there, and so are the other fuel injectors, since it's a V6. So it's got 6 cylinders, or 6 spark plugs, 6 fuel injectors. So that's all done, brand new. That one has got all messed up. The rubber, because of the car, when it had overheated from the old radiator, this is the new radiator, new alternator, new battery, new terminals. Oh, and I turned this back into a short ram intake, which is what it was. I had extended it, but it wasn't correct. So eventually I'm going to actually buy a full cold air intake, very expensive one eventually. But yeah. So we just pump the brakes more, and then take this for a spin around the block. Oh my god, the brakes are working already. Even have to pump it. Alright. So I'll do a little drive-by. Just gonna go around the block so you guys can hear the car. And then I'll do a little high rev so you guys can hear it, of course. I'm not doing that, I'm doing high revs right now. Coming from that way. Coming from that way, he's gonna turn all the way around. Man, that bag.
Almost.
I just might or might not be able to hear.
Yeah, he might be here later. There's a human coming that way.
How'd it sound? Alright, so if you notice, there is a little bit of scraping sound you'll get. That's from that metal